Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, we're going to be decorating 2 tier trays. So come on with me, guys. Now these 2 tier trays, they come from the Dollar Tree along with everything that I'm using. So this was budget friendly and it looks absolutely amazing. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now this video is part of a collaboration called It's Christmas Time Tier Tray Open Collaboration. This is being hosted by Deborah Cabasa Home Living and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, which is myself. Now remember that you can decorate your tier tray any way that you would like. I personally like the tier trays because it kind of isolates my little accent decor pieces in one place, and it's also mobile. You can move it any way that you would like, but you could also use it for decorations in your kitchen, as well as food. You can also display some food on there if you're having a party during the holiday. The possibilities are endless, guys. Now also remember that if you head on over to my community tab, every month I post a calendar of open collaborations for everyone to enjoy and to help you grow. So make sure and use that. Now also I have there last minute DIYs and I also have last minute decorating, and this is combined together in an open playlist. So anytime you have your last minute DIYs for decorations, or you have decorating ideas or last minute decorating, make sure upload your video and use the hashtag, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Remember, it's open, so it doesn't matter between now and Christmas what you make or what you decorate with. Also remember that all of the playlists for all of the collaborations I post in the community tab, and I also have a chat room on Instagram. So in either one of those 2 places, you will always find the playlist. If you have any questions, make sure and send me a message. Now let me leave you to some music and I'll see you at the end. So the Dollar Tree had three color trays. They had the white one and the red one, which I'm using in this video. And then I also have two of the wooden ones with the black handle, and I also have a green one. So the metal ones are red, green, and white, and then we have the wood accent ones with the black hardware. So all of these tier trays in total with both of my videos were about five. Wow. But I decorated them with home decor, and they're gonna stay that way all the way through Christmas. Okay, guys, look how beautiful they look. It's time for the reveal. Let's head on over there. Okay, now I do want to take a moment and thank Debbie from Deborah Cabasa Home Living for hosting this collaboration with me, and anyone who participated in the collab either by watching or joining in. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. Happy holidays, and God bless you.